Hello! Today's subject is the restoration of the inside platform. First of all, disconnect it from the electricity, and as you can see I've lifted the platform up, and now I shall take the job inside. Right, well, I've disconnected the canopy top. I shall solder the wires later. I've got to take all these advertising boards off, and let's go down this end of the platform. The light's got to come off, the name board, and there's lots to do. First of all, I am covering the white line with some edging slabs. Right, that's the edging slabs done. I shall measure the distance. I use cardboard for my slabs, cereal packets. I draw my slabs on the cardboard, and then of course I've got to cut them down to individual slabs, and then using some wood glue I shall apply them to the platform. Right, that's the platform done. I've also painted the supports and advertising boards, and as you can see it's looking really nice. Right, I need to add bricks to the sides, so I go onto the computer and download some bricks and put it on the scanner. Just drop that down, set it off, and print me out a few sheets. Here's the sheets that I printed out, and what I shall do now is measure the side of the platform and then cut strips out. I've added some advertising posters. You might wonder, well, what's Samuel Jones? Well, it's just a personal touch. I used to work at Samuel Jones, so I just thought it would be nice to add it on. As you can see, the brick's been put on the sides. The platform's all been painted, so now it's time to reconnect the electricity and get the lights working again. Right, the lights worked, so now what I'm doing is I'm adding the framework to the roof. I want this to be clear so we can see right the way through, so when there's a train the other side and you're looking down, it won't be covered by the roof. Well, I'm really pleased with the finished look. The theme for this platform is 1940s. Here you can see some World War II military figures, and let's have a look at some of the other people that's on board the platform. And here's a lovely nighttime shot. Well, I've completed it all now, so let's have a look at what it used to look like. And let's have a look at what it looks like now. Well, thank you very much for watching, and if you like what you see and you'd like to see some more, we are on YouTube. Our account is L.P.G.R. Little Paxton Garden Railway. There's about 11 videos on there, various subjects, building projects, actual runnings of the trains, us on TV. There might be something on there that you'd like. So please go to YouTube and please subscribe and comment. I would love to hear some comments and feedback. And once again, thank you very much for watching and look forward to the next video. Bye bye. Toot toot.